Hello! In this lesson I'm going to talk you through German sounds. So, sounds that you find in German, the sounds that you need to know in order to speak without an accent, which is impossible because even native speakers have an accent, but never mind. So let's start with consonants. B, wie in Bus, Blume, Bär, ich, mich, dich, Dienstag, dann, Dolch, fliegen, Vogel, Fisch, grün, gelb, Gabel, haben, Hallo, Hund, ja, Jagd, Jung, Kuh Kerze, Karte, Liebe, Leben, Lust, Mutter, Mensch, Meer, Nacht, nein, nie, Fink, Ding, lang, Papa, Puppe, Prag, Pferd, Pfütze, Pfand, rund, reif, riesig, Sessel, sitzen, sehen, schlafen, Stein, Schule, Tunnel, tanzen, Tier, Saal, heizen, Holz, Tschüss, Kutsche, Hatschi, wer, was, wo, Sache, Nacht, Buch, Hase, unser, Mitbringsel, Dschungel, Journal, beige, Genie, vowels. Okay, now guys, I'm afraid I can't say the sounds separately. I tried it several times, but it's no good. It doesn't work well. So I will only give you examples and you have to listen carefully for the sounds that I'm trying to bring across. Yay! Okay. Viel, 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 müssen, 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 Rübe, 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 gut, 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 bist, 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 Boot, boat, boat, put, 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 beat, 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 öl, 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 Boot, 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 bitte, 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 nett, 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 wähle, 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 göttlich, 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 Post, 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 Tasche, 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 Bahn, Bahn, Bahn. Now some diphthongs. I as in weit, heim. Au as in Haut, Haus. Oi as in Heu, oil. For more background information, have a look at my blog, and I hope that this wasn't totally confusing but helpful.